god, guys! Finally, today is the day. Yeah. So, I've been waiting for this moment for quite some time now. And I'm very excited. I want to show you all something that I've made myself. Custom made it myself. Something I'm very, very proud of. Woo! As you can see, yes, this thing. So I've been testing it for a few months already, and you know what? When I upload some videos, some people notice it, and they ask, "What's the windshield you use? What's the windshield you use?" But hey, today is the day that I tell you about it. Hello everyone, so this is what I did. This is the windshield that some of you have been asking in my previous videos. So yeah, finally today I'm sharing it to you all. So this windshield is actually from the KTM Duke 200 and 390, but the previous gen edition. So I've liked the windshield so much that I brought it to this bike and made a custom bracket to it. So the reason why I'm making this is not because of blocking the wind or deflecting all of the wind and make it a touring machine. No, that's not my intention. That's not my goal. That's not my objective. My objective is actually making this windshield and to make the entire bike looks great, looks good, looks handsome and beautiful. Because in the market, there is Puig, there is Barracuda, and there's a few more, and power parts, yeah. But they are all so expensive. In my country, I feel like it doesn't really make much sense for me to buy it because it's like at least 400, 500, 600 ringgit. So when you convert it into Malaysian ringgit, it is very, very expensive for a windscreen. So yeah, I decided to make one myself, 3D printed the bracket, fit this windshield and make it look good. So, yeah, this is how it looks. What do y'all think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Or maybe you have any ideas for the stickers. You can let me know, right? No problem. And also, speaking of deflecting the wind, this is not meant to do that job. But it does have a little bit of deflection. As you can see, the angle of it, it's a bit hard to show you right now. Yeah, you can have a look at the angle of the headlight and the windscreen, so you get the idea. So after adding this screen onto this bike, there are actually quite a bit of difference, but not too much, as this is a very, very small screen. The main difference being is like, so without the screen, you feel the wind blast is like straight blowing your body. Your entire body is gonna feel the wind, right? So after adding this screen, yes, I still feel wind, but not really blast. It's like a very clean air going through your body. You're not feeling like a parachute. If you have ride this KTM Duke before, you know how bad the wind blast is. So yeah, it kind of deflects a bit. It kind of like channel the air to the side. Not very much, but I can actually feel it like right below my chest area. That is where it feels the most. So does it do the job? Yes, a bit, but the objective is not to deflect wind. The objective is to make it look good. So yeah, and I want to give credits to my girlfriend, which helped me make this helped me make this bracket to put this windshield on, because she knows 3D software and I don't. That is why, yeah, she's the one that helped me design it. I designed it, I gave it to her, and then we do it together. Yeah. So yeah, I want to thank you. Thank you, babe. Thank you, babe, for doing this, for making this setup ready. So yeah, looks beautiful, isn't it? So this is actually my 6th prototype of bracket. 2 broke, and this is my final design. I went like 150 kilometers per hour, no issue, and I've tested it for about 2-3 weeks, I believe, and yeah, it works like a champ. It is good and solid now. This is the final design I have. So yeah, this is why today I'm sharing it to all of you, and I'm so proud of it. It is beautiful. Do let me know what y'all think. Please, don't be shy. I'm okay with criticism. I can take criticism. So if you like what I'm doing, and if you like my videos, do give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you like to see more about my bike and what I would do to it. And yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Selamat Hari Raya, everyone. Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Hey, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will put my Instagram account channel name at the link in the description below, because I'll be posting quite a lot of photos on my Instagram as well, some that may not make it to the YouTube channel. And yeah, I would like to invite you all to come and follow me on Instagram and enjoy the photos that I do. Thank you guys so much. As again, thanks for watching. If you like my video, like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think about the windscreen. And thank you. Bye bye.